I am a soldier, baby, who works just like a slave, sweating through the pain and digging his foxhole that he knows is just a grave. You trust me, don't you, baby? Yeah, you'd hand your life to me. Let's walk along the wire and watch the muzzles flash like lightning. A smile safe crackers understand is rendering their steady hand obsolete. You thought you caught my sleight of hand, but you could never understand. No, not me. Father was a charming man with much hidden up his sleeve. I wonder if this is what he planned when he taught his tricks to me. The youngest was a clever boy, cracking calculus by 3. The eldest was a practical and obsessively clean. Then there was me. I was born a charming man with silver tongue, pearl teeth. That's never how it's supposed to end. We promised all we'd dream. The envy of the everyman. Our family seemed complete. A father was a charming man, a mother a serene. But now I'm on the run again. This hotel's home to me. They found the other skeleton face down in the stream. The youngest was still tucked in bed the way they thought he was asleep. They moved the mirror from his mouth. The fog that should remain was not to be seen. Not to be seen. I am the doctor, darling, who used to operate, but I couldn't stand the pain of healing, only watch another woman waste away. You trust me, don't you, baby? Yeah, you'd hand your life to me. Let's set this barn on fire and watch the flames eat up the roof beams. A smile safe crackers understand is rendering their steady hand obsolete. Thought I must have broken in, but there's no crime in coming in. They hand me the key. Floating on the wind again, on the tail of my quarry, and a woman weak for charming men who's holding what I need. She'll leave her window cracked for me, and I'll draft in like a breeze. My father was a charming man, and I learned it all from me. The brothers born a Wondersmith, we started as a team. Like complementing cogs and gears, we built a head of steam. The tragic flaw, the charming man's exactly as it seems. Too much grease can break down a machine. Pour another round on me. Pour another round on me. You know I'm good for it, you know me. You know I'm good for it, you know my family. I am the lover lady who sees just what you dream. I know you're going crazy, living with him and without me. You trust me, don't you, baby? Yeah, you'd hand your life to me. Let's leave this life tonight and race the sunrise down the highway. A smile safe crackers understand, just rendering their steady hand obsolete. The charm and confidence of men can jam the bullets in your gun and stop heartbeats.